Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about what is combined set and how to create a combined set in Tableau. So let's create a combined set to show how many customers who purchased in 2020 also purchased in 2021. So you can combine two sets to compare the members. When you combine sets, you can create a new set containing either the combination of all members or just the members that exist in both sets or members that exist in one set but not the other. So to combine two sets, they must be based on same dimensions. So let's create a combined set. So first I will drag customer name into row shelf and click on add all members. Then I will drag order date into filter shelf. Then click select years and then click on next. So first I will select the year 2020 because I am going to create a set for the customer names who purchased in the year 2020. Then I will create another set for the customers who purchased in the year 2021. So first select 2020 and then click on OK. So these are all the members or the customer names who purchased in the year 2020. So click on any customer name and use the shortcut Ctrl A to select all the members, and you can see the set icon with a drop down here. So click on create set. So I will name this set as 2020 customers. So I will just name it as 2020 in the create set window. So you can see all the members or customer names added in this list. So then click on OK. So you can see one set is created. So right click on this field again, then click on edit filter. So now instead of 2020 I will select the year 2021 to create a set for the members or the customer names in the year 2021. So then click on OK. And these are all the customer names or who purchased in the year 2021. So select any customer name and use the shortcut Ctrl K to select all the customers. So click on this set icon and drop down. Then click on create set and I will name this set as 2021. And these are all the list of customer names who purchased in 2021. So click on OK. So you can see here in the data pane there are two custom fields added for customer names in 2020 and customer names in 2021. So keep pressing on Ctrl and select both these sets, then right click. So you can see this option create combined set, right? So click on that. So I'm going to name this set as combined set 2020 and 2021 customers. Okay, so how would you like to combine the two sets? There is a customer name set in 2021 and a customer name set in 2020. So let me select this option shared members in both sets. So this combined set is going to return the members who are in both years 2020 and 2021. So let me click on OK. And a combined set is created and added in the data pane with the set icon. So let me remove this year of order date from the filters and I will just keep this combined set in the filter. So then you will get the customers who are in both 2020 and 2021. So these are all the members which are common in the year 2020 and 2021. So to count these customer names, click on this drop down of the customer name field and choose this measure option and choose this count distinct. Okay, so you will get the count of 437. Okay, so this is how to use a combined set in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.